Hello, welcome to this video tutorial how to create a job post. Emiliano here. I'm going to show you how you can, create a very professional, job post as an agency when you create your account. Okay. Now, when you create your account, the very first thing that you're going to see here is this your dashboard. Okay. Now, on this dashboard, you have, metrics like active job, post, closed, and total proposal. The active job shows the number of active job that that is currently what hiring or that you're currently what running on Bizimi, and then the post shows the job that you temporarily put the pause into it that you don't want to continue for now and you want to continue at a later time, and closed shows all the jobs that have successfully hired all the freelancer already, because we already hire freelancer already. There's no point of there's no point of keep it running. That's what close is all about, like a delete, right? Like delete the jobs, right? It won't be public anymore. And looking at the total proposals, it shows all the total proposal for all the jobs that you have on Bizimi. Now the videos, this video sections is all about how you can create a job post. First of all, before you can start creating a job post, you make sure you want to like set up your profile by clicking on this side and then click on profile, and you make sure you set up your profile correctly. Make sure let it be professional. You put in your company logo and the name of the company, your name, the website. Uh, so you put the name, your full name, your company name, the locations where it is, and the company size, the websites. Make sure you want to set that, and then about the companies. Make sure you set all of that up, right? By doing that, by clicking on this word edit, and then everything become visible, you can edit that. All right, now once everything is set, okay, so the next thing that you want to do is to start creating your job post. Now the question is, how do you create a job post? Creating a job post involve 4 steps, and it's basically simple and straightforward. All you need to do is to click on post new job. There are 4 steps. This is where you enter your title. Let's say I want to enter do something like web developer or something like that, or web designer. To enter that, then this way you enter the descriptions of what the job is all about, right? For example, so I want to say I need a web designer for my brand, for my brand. Very right. Now I'm just going to keep things short and simple, right? So the next one to do now is to have the duration. So we'll keep that 2 weeks, and then I want to select skills. This is where I could select what web development, and I could select what front end, I could select what UI design or stuff like that. Just like go through all the skills and then you find the one that resonates. Now sometimes you might not see your skill set. All you need to do is in step 3 you have what called additional comment. That's where you can put in all the skill set that you want and any extra info that you want the freelancer to know. Now on this section of credits required, this is where you're asked to select your credit required for this job. You're not paying for it, it's totally free, but then the visibility of your job post to freelancer depends on it, right? For example, if the job is bigger, this is a big job that requires like a month for completions, or 2 months, 3 months, or thereabout, you need to select a higher, credit base, right? You can select up to like 20 credit, because the higher the credit for that bigger job, the higher the visibilities to freelancers, because the system, the algorithm is going to push it. And if you have a minimal job, you can put up to like 5, 10 credit, right? For now, since it's just that, I'm just to select like 10 credit, right? Then click on next. Then the next one to do is to select your job type. What job type is this? Is it going to be remote, hybrid, or on-site? Now I'm going to select what remote. Now this one I'm going to select the locations. Where is the company located, or the brand? I'm going to select Lagos, Nigeria. Alright, cool. And then I'm going to select the amount. The amount is going to be like let's say I'm going to set up to like, now for the purpose of the videos, I just want to select like 10,000 to 20,000. But in the recent, it's going to be higher up more than that, right? But I'm just saying that. Now, this way, like I said before, if you're looking for a skill set and there's no, it is not found in that skill selection sections. You can as well put in that skill set that you want here, and then any extra information that you want the freelancer to know, right? For now, so I'm going to put something like something very simple. So I'm going to put something like the freelancer most reside within in the stated location. And I'm going to put something like that. And step four gives the reviews of what is job preview. You can see the titles, you can see the description, the skills required. I've set up like three skills and budget range and durations, remote job types and all that, additional comment and then the credit. If you're not cool with the preview, you can click on this, go back to you know um, to edit your job post, and then once you're done, you certify, then click on this post job. And of course, you can see that it's already uploaded successfully. So basically, this is how you can create a job post. And in these next sections of this video series, I'm going to show you how you can access proposal.